Welcome to the presentation. Today I will be pitching a strategy of how corporate office solutions can gain entry into the Bulgarian market for business. First of all, who is COS? Corporate office solutions are the leading specialists in the workplace consultancy and design, fit out M&D works, project management and office furniture supply for office interiors. COS have repeatedly developed their range of services, becoming the first fully integrated office design and build specialist in Romania. They hold the sole local authorized dealership of Steelcase, who are the global leader in office furniture industry. Since the opening of Corporate Office Solutions in 1999, they have delivered professional services and adequate products to more than 1,800 companies. COS boasts over 100 highly specialized and motivated employees, and they hold over 2,000 clients over various industries and have successfully completed over 15,000 projects. Why Bulgaria? Bulgaria has historically been categorized as a middle to low income country with poor economies, but it has moved up in categories in 2006, showing that the economy is improving, which shows potential business opportunities as country for profit. And this is where COS will come in and make business. As the businesses coming in will need office buildings, therefore it can secure contracts with them. COS will be very successful. What is the office market like in Bulgaria currently? Sofia is the main office market in Bulgaria. As the infrastructure and economy grows in Bulgaria, the demand for offices has increased as well, especially after the past 12 to 24 months, with approximately 140,000 square meters of take-up recorded in 2018 across Sofia's office market. Total office stock in Sofia is currently at 2.1 million square meters, which is set to increase by a huge 430,000 square meters, which is expected to be complete by the end of 2020, with an extra 200,000 square meters of office space in the approval stage. COS will use the entry strategy of FDI. There are two types of FDI, horizontal and vertical. FDI is an investment made by a company or an individual in one country in business interests in another, in the form of either establishing business operations or acquiring business assets in the other country, such as ownership or controlling interest in a foreign company. COS will analyze the levels and structures of FDIs currently in Bulgaria. Marketing strategy. In an international business environment, business should develop strategies around three key dimensions. The most important factor will be the location of the office. As most cities are still in the process of growing into business districts, it will have to be in a location where there are already some office buildings that have been built and many more on the way to ensure business keeps flowing in. Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, is the best option for COS. The operations strategy. They will use the 5-goal model of cost, dependability, flexibility, quality, and speed. For COS, as COS are platinum partners with Steelcase, they will be able to purchase materials for cheaper, therefore keeping the price low. In regards to quality, COS will have to keep the quality up they were currently in Romania. For speed and dependability, due to COS introducing a point system to organize which projects are the most promising to secure against any competitors, they will have a streamlined process of completing projects and moving to the next one whilst maintaining quality. Flexibility. COS always holds meetings with the blueprints for projects with the designs to see if the client likes the design, and then they will move forward installing the designs to the office buildings. The human resource and financial management. The idea is that the Bucharest office will be the back office of the Bulgarian office. Thus, the Bucharest office will be supporting the Bulgarian office with tasks such as doing all the design and architectural services by the Romanian team. The quoting and ordering of materials and furniture will be completed by the teams in Romania too, and the admin and finance of the Bulgarian office will be managed from the Bucharest office also. This means that the minimum team in Bulgarian office will need is a head of office, a Bulgarian national, who will take the role and act as the general manager, preferably to be a mid-30s aged, experienced in leading small or medium teams, and ideally in the same sector as corporate office solutions. Contract furniture and fit-out constructions. To find this person, COS would need to hire a local headhunter and the budget will be, including tax, around €4,000 per month. Once the head of office has been found, then the headhunter will need to look for the rest of the team. This will be a senior salesperson, one sales assistant, one logistics manager, and one architect or designer. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed.